Overpaying your mortgage sounds boring, but it can save you tens of thousands of pounds, especially if you do it early, and most people don't really understand why. First, a common myth. In the early years, you only pay interest. That's not literally true, but early payments are mostly interest, because interest is charged on your outstanding balance, and that balance is largest at the start. In the UK, most lenders calculate mortgage interest daily, then charge it monthly. Think of your mortgage like an interest meter running every day. The bigger the balance, the faster that meter runs. That's why early overpayments are so powerful. You reduce the balance when it's biggest, which slows the interest meter immediately, and it stays slower for years. Let's put real numbers on this. Imagine a £300,000 repayment mortgage over 25 years at 4.5%. Your normal monthly payment is around £1,670. If you overpay just £100 per month from the start, you cut total interest by roughly £32,000, and you finish the mortgage about 4 years earlier. Now compare that to waiting 5 years and then starting the same £100 monthly overpayment. You'd still save money, but closer to £19,000, and you finish about 2.5 years earlier. Same overpayment, very different outcome. Because early balance reduction saves interest for longer. So does overpaying your mortgage make sense? It depends, but not as much as people think. Overpaying gives you a guaranteed risk-free return roughly equal to your mortgage rate. If your mortgage rate is higher than what you can earn on savings after tax, overpaying often wins. But there are important UK caveats. Most fixed deals only allow limited penalty-free overpayments, often up to 10% per year. And going beyond that can trigger early repayment charges. And you shouldn't pour spare cash into your mortgage if you don't have an emergency fund, because overpayments are hard to undo. So here's the sensible takeaway. If you've cleared expensive debt, built a safety buffer, and you're within your lender's penalty-free limits, overpaying early is a calm, low-stress way to cut lifetime interest and bring forward the day you're mortgage-free. You don't need to perfectly time interest rates. Overpaying early works because it permanently slows the interest meter. If you want calm, disciplined thinking about money, subscribe to Smart Wealth Plan.